second left to play in the final quarter. Guys, your thoughts?
With under 2 seconds remaining, you got to hurry up. Get the ball up quickly and take one quick.
Out. That's a knock out. Hell no.
Chance, but no good.
Good game, bro.
Into the big win by Toronto in a tight game. Well, they don't get much more exciting than that part.
We beat. Hey, they only got one loss, bro.
Kept their emotions in check and got it done.
One loss, bro. 35 wins.
Steve Kerr and Doris Burke. This is Kevin Harlan.
Yep.
Thanks for watching this presentation of the NBA.
Ranked 45.
And now we present the Jordan Player of the Game, Paul Pierce.
She's not willing to do that. That's why she don't want to get a new car. She don't want to do that. People need to open their eyes and listen and look. Don't have a